4 a.m. diaper change!
Prepare for battle!
Hello darkness, my old friend.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Magandang umaga guys. Iyak ng iyak si Bebe. Hindi siya nagka-comfort. I think baka may colic siya. Masakit na yung ulo ko. Kulang tulog. Dahil isa lang yung room namin, hindi kami maka-escape. Bebe, are you watching where Daddy's walking, are ya? Huh? Oh, now walk over this way. You gonna follow me? Oh. Buhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Duanda Vlog starring Pabibo.
Pabebe! Malaligo pa.
And Pabibe! Hello, Baby Nitro. Okay, Duanda fam, sa vlog na to, dito lang tayo sa sahig. We're here on the sahig kasi ito tayo ko ang baby rocker para kay Baby Nitro. Baby Nitro, oh, excited ka na ba? Ha? Hindi ka marunong mag-excited, no? Marunong ka lang umiyak, kumain, tulog. Sarap ng buhay mo, ah. So now that mommy is awake, we can get started on this thing. Yes, so this is a baby rocker. Now, shout out po sa kaibigan namin na si Kim Hansen. Thank you so much for this. This is amazing, alright? She gave this to us. She, pumunta siya dito, binigay niya sa amin to para kay Baby Nitro. So, I think malaking tulong to kasi kapag gusto kami magpahinga, we can put Nitro in this thing, alright? And he can entertain himself, sana. Ayun no, may mga laruan.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels.
Alright, we are nearly done getting there and baby is awake. Awake na siya, naninig niyo ba?
Wanna spend forever in the day with you. Put a ring on you, what you say I do. 'Cause you're a dream come true. You are elegance and freedom, everything to me. I wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shot.
Kompleto na. Kompleto na. Baby has just finished eating. So now we're going to put him in the rocker. Alright. Wish me luck guys, ha? First time parent ako, ha? So hindi ako perfect sa ganito.
Pero ito mong sinasabi yun.
Oo nga.
Huwag mo na
Dami kasing
sabihin.
bashers eh. Okay baby, you ready?
Oh my gosh, baka mahulog yan.
Oh, what's this? This is new, isn't it? Ano ba yan? Ha?
Ayun yan.
Paano ba to? Okay, his legs go other side of this. Diba? Baby, like that, yes. And then we put you open.
Yung back
It's on the
niya.
side.
Careful.
Like that. There you go.
Ano, Nitro.
And this baby
you like
boy,
it?
you put your arm out. Put your arm out. Arm out there. That's it. And then
Baka
this
masyadong
goes
mahigpit.
like that. Oh, there we go. Is that better? Huh? Is that better? Yeah, I'm gonna loosen this up a bit. Okay, cool. Here we go, Nitro. Oh, needs to be loosened a bit more. Ayun. There you go, baby. Oh, ha, ha, ha. What's this thing?
Wala na naman siyang
Huh?
medyas.
Wala na naman siya. Oo. Oh. Ooh. What's that,
Di ba
baby?
magsusuka? Inaantok.
What's that, huh? What's this place? It's moving, isn't it? Ayan, happy na si Baby Nitro, I think. We'll see if this works pag umiiyak siya. Ilagay natin siya dito. Tingnan natin kung titigil siya.
Baby, Nitro. Iniwan ka. Hey. Hello. Give me your smirk. Give me your smirk. Come on. Baka masugatan dyan sa plastic.
No, I got him. Daddy's got ya. Yes, he does. Oh, you're right. What are you doing?
You can burp him.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah, that's
Careful.
it. Here you go, baby. Now Daddy can play Nintendo Switch and watch you at the same time. Nitro, are you happy? You like it? Huh? Yeah, it's a nice little rocker for you. Yeah. Woo! Anong tinitingnan mo dyan? Bebe! Uy! Si Mami yan, nagluluto. Yan, nagluluto si Mami.
Tada!
Yay!
Basa!
Hello, Bebe! Naglalaro ako at nagbabantay ako kay Bebe at the same time. Diba? Sa ating buhay, no? Ngayon, aking buhay ang masarap. Baby Nitro.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Alright, Wonder Fam, bago natin tatapusin tong vlog na to, we have some shout-outs to do. Alright, so if you have been wanting a shout-out, panoorin nyo to, baka kasali ka dito. Alright, first of all, we have Buena R. Frost. You two will be surprised when you turn 3 months. Your sleep will be straight and also the baby's sleep. Just be patient, things will be okay. Baby, change your life. I know I have 3 kids, but I love being a mom. The hurt part being mom is when they grown and they left me. I feel so alone. Just enjoy it while he is small. From the USA. Buena R. Frost, thank you very much for that beautiful comment. Yes, it's mahirap, no? But after years and years of raising a child, they just leave you. Sana maging mabuting tao ang mga anak natin, no? Para it gives us happiness din, no? When our kids grow up and they become good people, no? Next up, we have a comment from parang may Korean or Chinese or Japanese name, but they said, this makes me think to work hard for my studies and not to fail because my parents don't fail me for taking good care of me. Yes, very true. Actually, I replied to this comment, mas na-appreciate ko na ang parents ko ngayon na parent din ako. No? Thank you for commenting. Next we have Nen Castro from Facebook. You're doing good as new parents. Have you tried a pacifier? It helps a lot. Yes, we have. We have tried a pacifier. Pero si Nitro parang ayaw niya masyado sa pacifier. Kasi napansin niya na wala pa ng gatas yung pacifier, no? So mas gusto niya magdede. Next we have Michelle Somingwit Estes, I hope I said that right. Michelle, she says, I love the teamwork you guys are doing, changing diapers or taking turn with baby, etc. That's what the parenting makes easier or better. I know you guys are doing your best. I do believe some mommy don't have abundance of milk, that's why you really need help from formula. Yes, so we have been using the formula just as kind of like a backup. Kasi, alam mo na, kulang gatas ni Mami Shanta. Pero ngayon actually dumadami na, pero kulang pa din. Pero mas marami na ang gatas niya kaysa sa before. So we still have to use the formula minsan, but it's good, at least may progress na si Mami Shanta na. So guys, that's it for today. Our shout-outs are complete. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And remember, if you have not signed up to Phil Talk, do so now para makasali kayo sa giveaway. Go to philtalk.net, gawa kayo ng account, post kayo ng picture kasama ang hashtag na PhilTalk giveaway with a reason why you want to win one of our giveaway prizes. Alright guys, kita-kits sa sunod na vlog ng Duanta. Bye for now.
You down the aisle, put a ring